Nathaniel Ball. I'm the team leader of Project Aura. These are some of my fellow teammates: Ryan Bradfield, Glenn Cook, Christine Manfredo, and Brian Thomas. Some of the areas that we wanted to cover through our concept was regenerate interest while providing good service at a low fare, comfortable travel while being environmentally friendly. And one of the themes that you'll see throughout our train is, well, first off, our slogan for Aura was Aura ... immerse yourself. So we want you to kind of immerse yourself in this, this atmosphere that you're in on this train. So you'll kind of see that theme throughout this whole concept. First, we wanted to have easily recognizable staff. A lot of people have trouble when they first get on their train. They don't know who the staff is, so they don't know how to seek help. So you have easily recognizable staff with their uniforms to provide any kind of assistance that the passengers would be needing. The staff, assists in loading luggage, helping the elderly and handicapped board the train. So from there, we go into the passenger car layout. And within the car, we have different types of seating. We have, your typical kind of airline style passenger seating. Then we also have like secluded seating for more private environments. The first one is a 4-person seating. It's kind of secluded by these walls that kind of encase it, and it's typically more for like a family. If there's a family with kids, the kids are going to be acting up, being loud, goofing off, and this allows them to stay away from the general passengers so that they don't interrupt or annoy any people like that. So the next seating is somewhat the same, except it's more for like 2 people. This is even more private. It's not necessarily for couples, but it gets the idea across. It's more private. It's got the dividing walls, that flank the side of those, so nobody can really peer in and look at them the whole time. But within the seating, we wanted to have comfortable, easy to use, and connectivity. In the world the way it is today, people want to be connected at all the time. They want to have access to the internet, the news, their business, whatever they need, they want it now. So we want to emphasize that as well. And to embody all of those features, we have the console. It's got like a food tray, power outlets, and a digital screen. This kind of demonstrates the movements of the tray. The tray can be used for sitting your laptop on or food, but it's encased within the console, so it's not out, it's not in the way. If you need it, you just pull it up, sit it on the lap, put it away when you don't need it. We have personal storage, under the seating, and then on the sides, or in the front of the console, we have power outlets, such as your laptop, cell phones, MP3 players, that kind of reinforces the idea of connectivity. People need to stay connected all the time. And then the digital screen is used for checking in, entertainment, and food. And this is where the idea of environmental friendliness comes in. By using the digital format, you don't have any paper, so there's no waste. People can check in using just their personal ID or any other kind of credit card or something like that. This also carries over to the dining car, where we have tables that encase a smart surface on top, so it's just touchscreen. If you want to view the menu, you just touch it, move around it. There's no paper, so again, there's no waste. This combined, the paperless system combined with the reusability of the GP38 locomotives and the Amphi. Because we based our design off the Amphi car, so we're reusing those. So there's not any waste in like having to start a whole new platform. So from there we go to the dining car. It's got a lounge space and a dining space that's divided by a centrally located bar. Of course, there's staff in there. What you can do is you can order your food at your seat while you're in the passenger car, come back to the dining car, pick it up, take it back to your seat, or you can just eat it while you're there. The bar, and the dining lounge also has like full service bar, so if you need a drink or something like that to relax, just go back there. The observation car is also the caboose. You can just go back to the caboose and then walk around, stretch your legs, because if it's a long train ride, you need to get up and walk around. So by walking around the caboose, it's got the really tall windows throughout the whole train as well. So this allows the passenger to immerse themselves in the surrounding environment as they go by. So, the overall theme, immerse yourself.